Welcome to Frank's Workstation. In today's video, we're revisiting our very first power bank box project, the FWS-12VP1. If you're new here, this channel is all about practical builds, DIY electronics, and smart upgrades that make a real difference. We've already made a detailed video showing how we constructed the FWS-12VP1, and if you haven't seen that yet, be sure to check the link in the description. Now, let's walk through some important upgrades and corrections we've discovered since the first build and show you how we're improving the device to make it more efficient, user-friendly, and reliable. Let's dive in. Upgrade 1. One-way current flow correction. We noticed that the charging input port, Charge IN, is currently supplying output power, which is not supposed to happen. The charge input should only allow current to flow into the device, not out. To fix this, we will modify the circuit so that current flows in only one direction, ensuring the input port functions strictly for charging. Upgrade 2. Charging display indicator. As it stands, the display meter only activates when the device is supplying output. We are adding a feature that enables the display to show charging status when the device is plugged into a power source. This upgrade will allow users to monitor the charging rate and status more effectively. Upgrade 3. Solar charging capability. Since this device is intended primarily for use in rural areas, it's important to make it compatible with solar charging. Right now, when a solar panel is connected, the charge indicator turns on, but no real charging takes place due to incomplete internal connections. Once the proper internal wiring is done, the device will be able to charge using a 12-volt to 15-volt adapter and 12-volt to 24-volt solar panel. Upgrade 4. Overcharge and low voltage protection. To protect the battery and extend the device's lifespan, we will add a voltage regulator that cuts off power when the input voltage is too high, a protection chip to prevent overcharging and automatically disconnect when voltage drops too low. This upgrade ensures safer and more reliable operation over time. Upgrade 5. Improved internal wiring. We are also improving the internal wiring system. We've sourced better materials that will make the internal layout more organized, efficient, and safer. This will enhance both the durability and appearance of the final product. Thank you for watching and supporting this project. Remember to check the description for the link to our first video showing how we constructed the FWS-12VP1 from scratch. Stay tuned for the updated version with all these exciting improvements.